How to add downloadable files to your Wix website, which is perfect if you want to share resources like PDFs, images, or other documents with your visitors. First, go to your Wix website and open the editor. On the left-hand side, click on Add Elements, then select Button from the options. Next, choose the Document button, which is designed specifically for file downloads. After that, browse through the available styles and select your preferred design so that it matches your website's look and feel. Once the button is on your page, click on it to edit and link it to the file you want your visitors to download. You can also customize the button text, colors, and size to fit seamlessly with your site's design. And that's it. You now have a fully functional download button ready for your visitors. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.